We're explaining how to fix the CUDAHOME environment variable is not set error in Python. This error typically pops up when you're trying to use libraries that rely on CUDA, NVIDIA's parallel computing platform, like TensorFlow or PyTorch. The root cause is that your system doesn't know where CUDA is installed. Let's fix it. 1. Locate your CUDA installation. First, you need to find the directory where CUDA is installed on your system. This location varies depending on how you installed it, but common places include C, Program Files, NVIDIA GPU, Computing Toolkit /CUDA v11, 8 inches, Windows, or /usr/local/CUDA, 11.8 inches, Linux. Replace v11, 8 inches with your actual CUDA version number. If you're unsure, search your computer for CUDA. The installation folder should be among the top results. 2. Setting the CUDAHOME variable, Windows. On Windows, you'll need to set the CUDAHOME environment variable. Open your system's environment variable settings. Search for environment variables in the Start menu. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New. For variable name, enter CUDAHOME. For variable value, paste the path you found in Step 1. For example, C, Program Files, NVIDIA GPU, Computing Toolkit /CUDA v11.8. Click OK on all open windows. You may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. 3. Setting the CUDAHOME variable, Linux. On Linux systems, the method varies slightly depending on your distribution. You often need to edit your shell's configuration file. For Bash, this is usually write /.bashrc write single quote or write /.bash_profile. And open this file in a text editor, like Nano or Vim. Add the line export CUDAHOME =$usr/local/CUDA 11.8, replace with your actual CUDA path, to the end of the file. Save the file and run source /.bashrc write single quote or source /.bash_profile in your terminal to apply the changes. 4. Adding CUDA to the path, Windows and Linux. After setting CUDAHOME, you might also need to add the CUDA bin directory to your system's path environment variable. This allows your system to find CUDA executables. On both Windows and Linux, find your path environment variable in the same environment variables settings as Step 2 for Windows. Edit it or create it if it doesn't exist to include the path to your CUDA bin directory. For example, C Program Files, NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit CUDA v11, 8 bin for Windows or /usr/local/CUDA-1, 1.8/bin for Linux. Remember to separate multiple paths with semicolons, on Windows and colons, on Linux. 5. Verify the installation. After making these changes, restart your Python interpreter or IDE. Then, in a Python script, try importing a CUDA-dependent library, like TensorFlow or CUPY. If it imports successfully, the issue is resolved. If you still face problems, double-check your paths, ensuring they are accurate and that you've restarted your system or shell. Consider checking your CUDA installation for any potential issues. You might need to reinstall CUDA if problems persist.